This video is about adding infinite temperature control to an inexpensive hot glue gun or any similar low wattage device. This is the one I have, and it only has an off-on switch and runs way too hot to use on the foam board I use for some of the RC airplanes I like to build. Enter the YYC-2S timer. While good documentation is typically lacking, the device itself was exactly what I needed. No programming is required, as most of the typical kinds of timers one might want are preloaded. You just need to figure out which is the one you want. In this case, I wanted program number 32 as shown here. Program 32 acts like a kind of pulse width modulator. It has two pulses, A and B. In my application here, after a little testing, I found that I wanted power on for 2 seconds, then power off for 5 seconds infinitely until the power is turned off. Of course, if I ever want to run cooler or hotter, I just need to adjust the pulse lengths. This image shows how I wired things up, and here is the complete setup. These are the two push-on, push-off switches used to turn it on and switch between run mode and setup mode. When both switches are open, the unit is off. When the green switch is closed, it's in setup mode. More on that later. When both switches are closed, it's in run mode. Next, I go through the setup process. 4 dashes indicate setup mode. Long press of K1 allows the program number to be changed using K2 and K3 to decrement and increment the program number. Since my timer is already set up with program 32, that's what shows up. When the desired program number has been selected, long press K1 again to advance to the A pulse, where the pulse length can be entered using K2 and K3. Set the A pulse again at 2 seconds here. Set the B pulse at 5 seconds. When the B pulse has been set, press K1 again to exit setup. Oops, I almost forgot about the decimal point. When changing the A or B pulse lengths, you can also choose the magnitude of the displayed values. In my case, I just wanted seconds, so I used K4 to move the decimal point until it did not show, which indicates seconds. Here I changed to run mode. Again, it will do this until power is removed.